is for apple, shining bright, rolling on rainbows in the light. B is for ball on sandy shore, smiling and bouncing evermore. C is for carrot, orange and sweet, dancing around with happy feet. D is for dolphin, jumping high, splashing water to the sky. E is for elephant, big and kind, walking gently with peace in mind. F is for fox, glowing at night, reading stories by lantern light. G is for goat on a mountain tall, climbing up without a fall. H is for helicopter, flying near, helping kids and bringing cheer. I is for island, warm and bright, with palm trees swaying left and right. J is for jellyfish, soft and pink, floating around in the sea like ink. K is for kites up in the sky, colorful tails waving high. L is for lion, brave and strong, roaring proudly all day long. M is for mouse, running around, jumping happily on grassy ground. N is for nest, where birdies stay, keeping eggs safe night and day. O is for octopus, purple and fun, waving 8 arms one by one. P is for pumpkin, glowing bright, shining softly in autumn light. Q is for queen, sipping her tea, smiling gently under a tree. R is for rabbit, snowy and quick, nibbling carrots pick by pick. S is for sun, warm and bright, shining colors with golden light. T is for train, moving fast, chugging forward as clouds pass. U is for umbrella, red and cool, hiding from rain near a puddle pool. V is for village, calm and neat, fields and houses looking sweet. W is for whale, jumping high, splashing water toward the sky. X is for xylophone, bright and clear, music ringing for kids to hear. Y is for yak, furry and strong, walking the snow all day long.